Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
A faulty door seal is a common cause of washing machine leaks. This seal acts as a waterproof barrier between the drum and door, but cracks, tears, or dirt can let water escape. Regularly check and clean the seal, and replace it if damaged, to prevent leaks and keep your machine running smoothly.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.